Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account security. And in this video, I will show you how to manage your Google account security and review your sign-in device to your Google account in order to know if your account security has been breached or your account is about to get hacked. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser and make sure you log into the Chrome browser with that particular Google account or your Gmail. Next thing you want to do here is to come to the top right here, click on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on manage your Google account. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on security and signing. Now you are here. Scroll down right here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here until you get to your device where you were logging. What you need to do is to click on the manage all devices right here. Click on that. Now you are here. You are signing in on this device, or have you been in the last 28 days? There might be multiple activities in from them from the same device. So here you go. Then here you have two systems on Windows PC, which is computer. Then you have one system on Android phone. This is based on my login activities right here. However, from your own end, if you find out that some of the activities are not usually true, or you are not really sure of the any login devices, what you need to do, for instance, this window here, I'm going to click on it. So after a successful login, you will be given detail about the details about it right here. Nigerian, January 15th, and then sign in at this particular time. Then we can scroll down and read detail right here. Browser, apps, and services. These are browsers and apps and services that have access to these sections right here. If you find out that some of the information here are not actually true, what you need to do is to click on sign out. Once you click on sign out, every area that have access to this particular account will be fully logged out completely without any stress, and your account will be secure. You are trying to remove unrecognized activities from your account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.